So as I said, this is how we create a list, correct? This is how you create a list for any place. So if in case of Varanasi, I want you to go to Google, type Varanasi best places, go to the good websites, okay, and so see what all places you are liking. Only those places you type the name or you copy paste the name from the website. If you want, as I said, you can also type if there is a small one line description about that place, you can type that also next to it, okay, if there is space and if you want, okay. Otherwise you can just make a simple list like this, okay. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this page, bring this over here. Okay, so there is one thing about making a list like this in Canva in a text box. You can select all these items in the list. One second. So if you want, you can select all the items of the list, okay, and here next to this alignment button there will be a button like this which has all bullet points over here. So if you click on this, okay, this is how the list was normally. This is how the list was normally. When you click on this bullet button, you see all these bullet points will start to come. Have you seen bullet points in a list? If you have not seen, it's okay, no problem, but you must know that bullet points are like this, okay. When you make a list of items now, people usually put such bullet points when they make a list. So this is very nice thing. You can also write it as 1 2 3. When if you click on that button again, it will come as 1 2 3. If you click on that button again for the third time, it will come back to normal. So I'm clicking on this button once to bring that bullet option, okay, right. Next we have for Mukteshwar. I'm just copying from the list that I already have with me, because I've already gone to Google, I have gone to the websites and I have taken that list, okay. But I want you all to go to Google, go to different websites and make your own list for your choice of 3 places, okay. So select the best ones, okay. It should make a very good itinerary. It should make a very good itinerary. Okay, now all this is bold. I don't want it. So I'm selecting that and I'm clicking on that bold option to switch off the bold option. Now again I'm duplicating this for the last time. Okay. Here I'll be pasting the places for Thanjavur. Okay, I'm coming here and I'm pasting it. Okay, that is also done. And I am switching off that bold option. Okay, now I brought it to the center of the page also. Okay, done. So this is your final brochure. If you want, after this you can add some elements for decoration. So how do you do that? Just go to elements section in the side menu, type decoration. So you want to put some things for decorating your brochure. This is the best way to do it. Go to graphics section, you will find a lot of beautiful elements. You will find some stars, you see, you will find some stars like this, you will find a lot of things. So whatever you like, you can use it. So for example, I really like this, this dot thing. So I've already put it over here. So how to put it is very simple, just like your rectangle, how you did it, same way. Click on it, it will come on your screen. For some elements, you will have this color button on the top left corner of the white bar. You will have that color button, so you can click on it and change the color. but this is only for some elements. If the color option is not there, then you want to change the color, please you have to go for some other element then. Okay. So you can search for decoration. You can also search for, you can type a word which is related to your travel package theme. So what is your type of travel package, or what is your theme of travel package? In this case it is spiritual travel package. So I am going to type spiritual. But if it is a family travel package in your case, then you have to type family. So you'll get all family related elements that you can put it in your brochure. So it will be very nice then. So see, under spiritual, so many beautiful elements are coming. I like this hand one. It gives a very nice touch to the brochure. So I'm going to bring this here. I'm going to reduce the transparency, so it does whatever text is written on top of it now, you can read that clearly. Okay, and I'm going to go to color button. You can change it to any color actually. Yeah. So I think this is nice. So same way you can do for the other pages also. So you're liking any element, you can put that element. I think this mandala is looking very nice and pretty. Oh, maybe it's too colorful. Some simple element if you can get. Yeah, this one is looking very nice again. So I'm going to bring this in between both these pages. In between both of these pages, you can do it that way also. This is another way. So it's like half of the element will be in this second page, other half of element will be in the third page. So make sure that pink line is coming. So see, that pink line is coming correctly on top of the line, this edge. So that tells me that okay, your element is correctly in between both of these pages. So that is very important. And you can change the color for this. You can make it into a bright red color and you can decrease the transparency. Okay. So this is a very simple way to decorate your brochure. It gives a very nice touch to your brochure. You can add an element here also if you want. So I think this element looks very nice and pretty. So I'm going to reduce the size of this. Bring this in this gap. Bring it inside this gap. And you can adjust the color. It will take some time. Yeah. So see, one nice beautiful lotus inside a moon with lot of stars. So this is how you design a brochure. So this right side page should be your title page where you're putting the title of your package. This middle page is contact details. This page is for why should you choose our travel agency. Then in the next sheet you will put all the three places, Varanasi, Mukteshwar, Thanjavur in our case. But whatever travel package type you are choosing, you have to give a title for that like this, and you have to choose three places which will come under the travel package. So how do you find that? Again by googling. So our type is spiritual travel package. So I went to Google and I found out which are the top spiritual places in India. So depending on that I chose three places. And again for each place you have to find the places which you will cover for that particular region. So for example in Varanasi, what all places you want to cover, that also you have to Google separately and make a list like how I said. So the same thing I did for Mukteshwar and Thanjavur, and then finally you add all these elements. On the way we also learned some features like duplicate feature, how to add, how to change, adjust the color, all these things we learned. We also learned position feature, you want to put something forward, backward, that also you know now. Okay. So this is how you design a brochure. This is how our final brochure is looking like. And now you all have to send this to my mail. Okay, you have to download it as a PDF and send it to my mail. So how do you download your brochure? Very simple. Click on this button called share. Top right corner you will see a button called share. Click on that share button. Okay, and go to download. Go to download. Under download you will see this button, it says PNG. We don't want PNG. PNG means photo. We don't want it like a photo, we want it as a PDF. So click on that PNG, you will get all the other options. Click on PDF standard. So see, PDF standard you have selected, all the pages have been selected. Click on download. Okay, so your brochure is getting downloaded. And you can see my brochure has got downloaded as a PDF. So when you're composing your mail to me, please attach this PDF, tag both. Please, when you're in that sender list, please type my mail ID and also Gayatri ma'am's mail ID. Send this brochure to both of us in one mail. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed this brochure making session. See you all sometime in our next session. Thank you so much. Take care. Enjoy your vacation. Bye.